Did you know that in 1921, decades before anyone thought it was okay, Fritz Pollard became the NFL's first black head coach, but his story starts way before that. At Brown University, Fritz was breaking records and making history as the first black player to ever step foot in the Rose Bowl. People weren't ready for his talent. When he went pro, he literally needed police protection because of death threats. Can you imagine needing bodyguards just to play football? But Fritz didn't stop. He became head coach of the Akron Pros and created strategies that coaches still use today. Here's the crazy part though. While he was changing football forever, he was also building wealth on Wall Street. This man founded one of the first black investment firms in America. Think about that. During a time when segregation was everywhere, Fritz Pollard was dominating in sports and finance. He proved that black excellence wasn't limited to just one field. From the football field to Wall Street, Fritz showed the world what was possible when talent meets determination.